2 years since the 2023 Karnataka Assembly elections, a political earthquake has shaken the state. The Congress government, once riding high on the promise of guarantees, is now facing widespread public disillusionment. A New People's Pulse Codemo survey reveals a stark and sobering truth. Karnataka is rapidly turning its back on Congress and looking toward the BJP for leadership and stability. According to the survey, if elections were held today, the BJP would double its seat share, reversing the 2023 outcome. The message from voters is clear. Governance matters and Congress has failed to deliver. Congress's gimmick-laden governance has collapsed under its own weight. From skyrocketing prices to poor scheme implementation, citizens are turning away in large numbers. Guarantees like Griha Lakshmi, Yuva Nidhi and Shakti have either stumbled in execution or proved unsustainable. Over 52% of men and 49% of women are moving away from the Congress. The youth, especially first-time voters, feel betrayed. 56% of 18-25-year-olds now back the BJP, having lost faith in hollow promises. Even rural Karnataka, once considered Congress territory, is witnessing a massive 52% surge in BJP support. The BJP is no longer an urban-only force, it's now a pan-Karnataka movement. The Modi wave remains unstoppable in Karnataka. Among BJP supporters, 73.9% choose Modi as their preferred Prime Minister, but here's a stunner. Even among Congress voters, 37.8% still prefer Modi over Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge. Communities traditionally loyal to Congress, Kurubas, Madigas, Vokaligas, Dalits and STs are now leaning decisively towards Modi. Support among Nayaks, 74.6%, Valmikis, 72.1% and Vishwakarmas, 78.2%, signals a deeper realignment. Congress's caste census experiment has backfired. 75% of voters reject the leaked survey as biased and divisive. The Ahinda formula, once a cornerstone of Congress strategy, is now seen as thinly veiled appeasement. Farmers too are angry. Dismantling BJP's Rs 4,000 PM Kisan scheme and other rural benefits has backfired. 54% of farmers have shifted to BJP, citing unmet expectations and rising farmer distress. Karnataka's women and elderly have been hit hard. Housewives see through the selective disbursal of Griha Lakshmi benefits, while pensioners feel abandoned amid rising costs and hollow assurances. The verdict is loud and clear. From the educated youth to struggling farmers, from village to city, the people of Karnataka have lost faith in Congress's politics of populism and pretense. They are looking to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of development and dignity. If the trends hold, 2028 may not be a battle but a BJP sweep. Thanks for watching. Find the latest news and updates on One India.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.